Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel guys. This is your daily love tarot reading Gemini. So let us see what is coming up. We'll be picking few cards for your daily energies and a few cards for your love energies Gemini. So these are for your daily energies guys. These are for your love energies Gemini. So we'll turn the cards as we proceed into the reading. So let us see what has come. Two of Cups in reverse, the Chariot in reverse, Eight of Wands. Gemini, with these cards, the energy is that guys, you are seeing a great growth in your work or in your personal life. Great changes are coming your way guys. Some activity are bearing results. So it may be in your work situation. So whatever projects you are taking up or whatever collaborations you are planning on to, so that is coming at a faster pace. Changes are happening in a very fast pace guys. So things are moving really fast. This may be this person moving towards you, or this may be certain changes in your work situation. Things are happening very quickly, so even before you were expecting it. Maybe for some of you all, you may have had some arguments with this person, quarrels, something really stressful, but that is coming to an end guys. Your fights and your anger, you are cooling down very quickly, both of you all. So this person may come towards you with a sorry, or they want to apologize, or they want to come with gifts, something to show their love and get back with you, to forget the past and reconcile with you guys Gemini. So that is the energy here. And in your work situation, things are going in a fast pace. The great developments are happening. So whatever projects that needs to be completed, it's happening before time, before the timeline, and you're really happy for the way things are going fast paced guys. So that is the energy here Gemini. So let us see what is there for your love energies. Seven of Wands in reverse, Page of Cups in reverse. Gemini, with these cards, the energy is that guys, maybe you are forgetting the past arguments and you are quickly going back to say sorry. This may cause this person to be embarrassed of the way you are, how simple you are, how courageous you are in overcoming the hurt and voicing out the truth, and they are simply head over heels in love with you guys. That is the way I feel with these cards. And you are putting forward your true self in front of this person. So that is what they feel about you, or that is what they feel about this relationship, or what you may feel about this relationship guys, how they portray the truth. So you feel a great sense of attachment to this person and love towards this person guys, and you want to be with them always. You have that inclination to be with them always. You have that great attraction towards them. So that is the energy I see with these cards Gemini. So things are moving very fast today guys, and let us see what the angels are guiding us with today guys. I'll be picking one card. it's an angel card, Gemini. So whenever we get an angel card, it just means the angels are there with us, guiding us. So sometimes in life we face tough situations, guys, in our relationship or in any situation with the people in our family and our friends, whatever situations, guys. So we need to be non-judgmental. We should find that common ground. We should respect and have compassion for others, for our family, for our community, and for our friends. So when we do that, when we respect, when we have that caring for others, and when we listen to others in any situation, it will help us to heal ourselves, repair the wounded relationship we have and the broken relationships we have, guys. So we need to be with true love in our heart, guys, unconditional love towards our friends, our family, and towards this person we love. So when we are that way, we will open ourselves to more tolerance and peace and love. So that is what the angels are guiding us with, guys. So we need to be more supportive of the people who are there in our life. We have to be more caring, and we have to be more respectful and have that compassion within ourselves. So that is the angels guidance for you all, Gemini. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked this reading. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading, guys. Bye, Gemini.